A lot of people are behind on their credit card payments during these tough economic times. That doesn't mean you should sign up with one of those companies that promise to get you out of debt. CBS News correspondent Michelle Miller is here with lots more on that. Good morning.
And thank you so much. Good morning. We've all seen the ads for those companies you just mentioned, but if their promises seem too good to be true, they probably are.
We've had credit card debt that they negotiate down 50%.
You may have heard the testimonials or seen the online ads. Companies claiming to get you out of debt by negotiating with your creditors for you.
A $15,000 debt for $4,000. It was absolutely unbelievable.
But retiree Doreen Melton says when she tried to reduce her credit card debt with a company called Nationwide Asset Services, it didn't save her money. It cost her thousands.
It sounded so good. We paid $1,800.
Doreen and her husband Barry from Lewiston, New York, signed up with NAS to help pay off $15,000 of debt. The couple says they paid $1,800 in upfront fees and were instructed to make no further payments on their credit cards.
Every month I wasn't making payments, and every month they would add a late fee and an over-the-limit fee. And this was on every card I had. I kept getting phone calls all day long. 99% of our calls were creditors.
The Meltons say that over the course of 2 years, they paid NAS more than $11,000, but that the company only settled about half of their original $15,000 debt.
It's very upsetting because our credit is destroyed.
We contacted the attorney representing Nationwide Asset Services. He told us by phone that the company denies any wrongdoing. But New York's Attorney General has filed a lawsuit against NAS and another company, Credit Solutions of America. According to the Attorney General's office, Credit Solutions promised nearly 18,000 customers a 60% reduction in their outstanding debt. But only around 1% of the customers, 1,800 people, received that savings.
The companies that we're talking about today, frankly, are frauds.
Credit Solutions told CBS News they dispute the complaints, which largely occurred under previous management.
Not only did they do nothing, but they made a bad situation worse.
The New York Attorney General's office says NAS promised nearly 2,000 customers a 25 to 45% reduction in their debt, but only 64 customers who completed the original plan got the savings. Doreen and her husband say NAS refunded $3,000 after they went to the Attorney General's office. All they want now is to see their credit repaired and warn others of potential scams.
No matter how good it sounds or what they tell you, they're lying. There's no possible way they can do what they say they will.
And New York's Attorney General recently sued those two debt settlement companies, saying they engaged in fraudulent business practices and false advertising.
You've got to beware, have to beware, right?
Have to be.
All right. Michelle, thanks so much.